everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing something truly innovative for creators and professionals alike, the SCULPFUN G9 portable fiber laser engraver. This is a powerhouse device featuring not one but two laser sources, all while being safe, compact and incredibly easy to use. First, let me show you this machine in action and then we will dive into the details. First up, safety. The SCULPFUN G9 complies with Class 1 laser safety standards, meaning you can work with peace of mind. The fully enclosed protective cover ensures the laser is contained. And as a bonus, you won't need extra goggles or casing. It is designed with an automatic stop feature, so the moment you open the cover, it holds all work for maximum protection. Here is where things get exciting. The SCULPFUN G9 features a dual laser light source model. It has a 2-watt infrared laser for engraving on metals and plastics, perfect for intricate items like dog tags or business cards. And a powerful 10-watt diode blue laser for more common materials like wood, acrylic, and leather. With this machine, you can truly engrave on almost any materials, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. Now, let's talk about speed and precision. The SCULPFUN G9 uses an industrial-grade galvo system that allows for engraving at an incredible 5000 mm per second with ultra-high precision. It's got a repeated positioning accuracy of 0.0001 mm and a beam spot as small as 0.01 mm, meaning you will get crisp, clean details in every design, whether it's a simple logo or intricate artwork. The machine comes with a fully enclosed protective cover to ensure your workspace stays clean and safe. By connecting a smoke exhaust duct, you can effectively filter smoke, and while the air purifier is sold separately, it makes the workspace virtually odor-free. This makes it ideal for home use or small workshops. Despite all its capabilities, the G9 is compact and portable. Whether you are setting up a craft show, bazaar, or working on personal projects at home, this machine fits just about anywhere. It's an ideal tool for creators looking to monetize their skills, providing endless possibilities. SCULPFUN makes engraving easy with its free, intuitive SGD laser software. Whether you are working on your phone or PC, this user-friendly interface allows for multi-layer editing, variable engraving settings, and it even suggests the best settings for different materials. Plus, it is compatible with Lightwork, offering professionals more flexibility. The SCULPFUN G9 is highly customizable with various accessories. You can pair it with an air purifier for cleaner operation, a slide extension kit to expand your work area by 3.5 times, or the RA Pro Max rotary roller for engraving cylindrical objects like mugs or even baseballs. Keeping in mind, these are sold separately, but they unlock even more potential. Performance is key, and the G9 has that covered with its high-performance cooling system. Thanks to the aluminum radiator and high-speed fan, you can run the machine for extended periods without worrying about overheating. This not only ensures safety, but also extends the lifespan of the engraver. So, there you have it. The SCULPFUN G9 Portable Fiber Laser Engraver is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly tool that opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you are a professional or a hobbyist, this machine will take your engraving projects to the next level. Its dual laser capability, safety features, and compact design make it a must-have. If you are looking to step up your engraving game, this is the tool for you. Thanks for watching. The link for the product is in the description. If you have enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest tools for creators. See you in the next video.